Hi everybody, my name is Roman and today we are going to talk about negative keywords in Google Ads. And negative keywords is the last step we need to do before we actually go and create the keywords for our business. So what is a negative keyword? Negative keyword is something that helps us to exclude a part of the traffic of existing keywords. It looks like the negative keywords is a completely opposite thing to positive keywords. But in fact, it's not like that. The problem is positive keyword gives us a chance, or just a keyword, gives us a chance to show our ad on different users' search queries. And positive keywords can be used on its own. You can just create a keyword and you can show the ad. Negative keywords helps us to exclude something from existing positive keywords. If you don't have a single keyword, negative keyword will be useless. So negative keywords helps us to exclude something already existing in the positive keywords, but which is not relevant for us anymore or at all. So imagine we are selling swimming pools somewhere, let it be in New York, and we do not repair or fix these swimming pools, we just sell them. And we have a phrase keyword swimming pool, which I remind you helps us to show our ad on anything that contains swimming pool in this order and nothing in between. So buy swimming pool buy will be okay, but pool swimming won't. And we have three people actually seeing our ad. First guy was looking for swimming pool buy, which is very relevant for us, and we actually like this guy. Second guy was looking for swimming pool price. This guy is probably looking for the cheapest option or close to the cheapest. It's almost like the first guy, but a little bit different. He is very concentrated about the price from the very first step. And the third guy was looking why his swimming pool is green. Yes, this guy is not very lucky, but we can't help him actually. We can try to sell him a swimming pool, but he is not ready probably. He right now is looking for some of the cheapest options to fix his swimming pool. So we actually don't want this guy to see our keywords. So we don't actually want this guy see our ads. So we wanted to exclude these kind of search queries. First of all, we need to group this guy in two different groups. First group is something positive for us, but we want to treat them separately because we wanted to show the best option for the first guy and the cheapest option for the second guy. The third guy, we don't actually want to see him in our ads, so it will look like that. We will create a separate exact match keyword for the first guy to make an exact match and to have the best ever answer, and the same we will do for the second guy. For the third guy, we wanted just to exclude that kind of keywords. And if we will try to exclude something, for example, just imagine, we wanted to exclude all people that have green in the search query, that would make sense. And we probably want also to exclude Y, but let's stop on the green for this time, because we actually don't have green pools, and I don't know a lot of people that sells green pools. Let's just exclude the word green. So we have four learnings here. We don't sell green swimming pools, we don't repair swimming pools, we want to serve best keywords with separate ads, and we don't want two keywords to serve the same search queries. And this is a very important part. If you have two different keywords, for example, swimming pools and swimming pools buy, and both of these keywords actually being shown on a swimming pool buy as a search query, you will never know which keyword gets the data. And you don't want that situation because you wanted to see how each keyword performs, and if this particular keyword is not performing well, you just exclude it. It's a very important part, but we will move to it a little bit later. So, what we wanted to do, because negative keywords are exactly like a positive keywords in terms of match types, we wanted to exclude from our phrase swimming pool keyword exact match of swimming pool buy. That means that swimming pool will be shown each time people are looking for something that contains these two words in this order. But if this is exactly swimming pool buy or swimming pool price, these three words in this particular order, this keyword won't be triggered. So our ad won't be shown from that keyword. It will be shown from different keyword. And the second thing, we wanted to exclude green in a phrase match type. Why in a phrase match type? It's very important because you also can exclude it from a broad modified, but if you just add a broad keyword as a negative, you probably will exclude something extra. And you don't want to do that, you just want to exclude something that contains green. And the 100% chance of doing that is just to exclude green as a phrase match type. You also can add, just as an example, Y word also there. Because I don't know people that are looking for buying a swimming pool and start their search query with the word why. Why I don't buy a swimming pool? That doesn't make sense for me. So just a little bit visualization here. First type of excluding something that is already existed in another keyword, or excluding something that is not relevant for us. For example, we sell a car, but we don't sell a used car, and buy a used car is a subset, is something that is also included in buy a car. We just add used as a negative to buy a car. In that case, anybody that is looking for used cars won't see our ads. The second situation, when we have a lot of subsetting keywords like buy car, buy new red car. And the first guy that is looking just for buy a car, we can show him the best car we have or the cheapest car we have. The B guy is looking buy a new car, we will try to show him the newest car we have in our salon. And for the guy that is looking for buy a new red car, we will show the red car we have. So this is a 3 different ads with 3 different landing pages with the 3 different products we want to show. So in that particular situation, we will create a red negative keyword to B and C keywords, and also a new keyword as a negative to a C keyword. So buy car with the negatives new and negatives red, and buy a new car with a negative red. So thank you very much. That was a negative keywords theory. We are going to actually implement this in the next video. I will show you how to do and how to separate and conquer the world with creating correct positive and negative keywords. And we will definitely come back to this topic again and again, because negativation of keywords is something that you do every day for a very long time. I'm working in SEM for 6 years already, and believe me, I do negatives in all my account at least 3-4 times a week. Because it's something like breathing the air or drinking your water. This is a very crucial, very important, and just a small insight before we stop. Did you know that 20% of search queries, so 20% of what people typing inside Google are absolutely unique queries that never repeated. People are very strange. People are strange. We are strange. And that's why negativation is very, very important. Thank you very much. Like this video, ask your questions in the comment section and subscribe. Bye bye.